In this video, we will solve a question on consumer equilibrium. The question is, when the consumer is in equilibrium, marginal rate of substitution between two goods X and Y is 2.5. If price of good Y is 16, then what will be the price of good X? Options are being given. We need to find out the correct option, okay? So we are being told the consumer is in equilibrium. So when is consumer in equilibrium? Okay, so let me write it here. Equilibrium condition is that the marginal rate of substitution between good X and Y should be equal to the ratio of the prices, that means price of X upon price of Y. Okay, graphically it simply means if we have good X and good Y given the budget line, okay, and the indifference curve, this is our indifference curve, this is our black one is budget line. Consumer attains equilibrium when the slope of budget line is tangent to the indifference curve, and it is a point where MRS is actually equal to price of X upon price of Y. That means when the slope of indifference curve, MRS simply denotes the slope of indifference curve, when it is equal to the ratio of the prices, we say consumer is in at equilibrium. We are being told price of good Y is being given us as 16. We need to find out the price of good X then. Okay. Now MRS is being given us as, that is the slope of indifference curve is 2.5. So in place of MRS I can write 2.5. It should be equal to the slope of budget line. So slope of budget line is simply price of X upon price of Y. So price of X, let's denote it by, or let's write it as it is, price of X. Okay, price of X upon price of good Y is being given us as 16. Okay, solving this relation simply, so we have 2.5 can be written as 25 divided by 10 is equal to px upon 16. Cross multiplying here, okay, so 10 into px, we have 10 into px is equal to 25 into 16. So price of good X will be equal to 25 into 16 divided by 10. Okay, let us see what it comes out to be. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 2 1s are 2 8s are, that means we get 5 into 8, which comes out to be 40. That means price of good X, okay, so price of good X comes out to be 40. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.